Dang, long time no see, huh? Oh, like I just saw you guys like yesterday. Or like maybe a couple seconds ago actually. But, damn, I don't know if you guys hear that. But that male lady or male woman, that's the same thing, male man, they're zooming out here. I was like, dang, what's that? I was like, who's zooming out here? And it's just, man, they getting stuff done. Speaking of which, that's something I need to do. So let me show you what I got in store for this bad boy. So, the goal here today, oh yeah, you already see these sick car mats right here. Damn, these things are clean. They're by Phase 2 Motor Trend. And then I need a new shift boot because I don't know if you saw there's like a Crown Royale. So I bought a new shift boot, OEM. I got a shifter because you know mine be freaking rolling away like the ravioli commercial. So I got a We Are likewise, yeah, you know, something you do on your free time, you know what I'm saying? What? So, and I also got window switches because your boy can't even roll down the passenger side window. Because let me show you what's inside. Like, look at this. Like, okay. I have these mats, they're cool, but they're the universal fit, so they don't fit exactly. And what else I got again? Oh yeah, the shift boot, you know what I'm saying? And this, oh look, it's right here. It's freaking, oh there we go. But yeah, this is a shift boot. Well, it's not even a boot, but it's just like a cover-ish. And then the window switches, man, look at this, bro. Pull up, oh yeah, sure. But yeah, that's my window switches. And then you can see I don't even have one, so you know I'm gonna need that. So I need to install all of these, and they're really quick. So, and I have a couple more things for it, but let me see how fast I get these done. But yeah, I've been wanting to get this stuff knocked out for so long, because you know it's just mainly these window switches, man. Oh, you need to roll down the window? At least the driver, I mean, the only thing that works is the driver's side, but, you know, priorities. So let's get started on this bad boy. Alright, so, let's start with these, start with these car mats. So, there we go. You know, I don't know what brand these are, but, wait, is this Garage Moon Power? I think this is Garage Moon Power. That's pretty sick. You can tell because it's just power, and then that's probably says Garage Moon somewhere. They look kind of sick. Let's get on the. Let's get on. You already know. Oh, and then you got the. Don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, that thing is already fall back. You gotta get this guy out. And let me vacuum this actually, because I don't think it doesn't look super bad, but you know, doesn't hurt to vacuum your car just a little bit, you know, because it's all in the details. So let's get the deets done.
Wow.
Okay, I found out. So that was the driver's side. I like put it in and I was like, ah, shoot, it fits, you know. But dang, these. Oh, besides that, but still, dang, these look like they fit good. Here, let me walk you guys. I don't think I can even, this doesn't even count as a torque. You're just putting a mats in. Like this require little to very high experience. Okay? And let's just put these in like so. I'm focusing on two things at once. It's probably why the camera is probably in the universe. Dang, look at that. Just, wow, just look at that. Just, wow. Look at that fitment, dude. Wow. Dude, that looks phenomenal. I don't know about y'all, but you need to check these guys out. Just slowly. There we go. Look at that. Dude, these mats fit phenomenal. I'm impressed. Cause I had like universal ones to these. Like, dude, these are. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Oh, dang. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Do the jerk. Do the jerk. No? Alright. Well, dang, that looks really good. I can't get over that. But anyways, I don't know. You know what? No. Let me do the switches. I need to do switches. Like, ASAP. I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna just use this. Okay. Yo, these switches were expensive, dude. Like, high key. I was like, wow, I was not ready for the price when you told me. But I was like, I need it. I yearn for it. I live. Wow, I didn't even, look at that. I didn't even rip it. This is what, dang, there's more tape. This is what I yearn for, baby. Holy. Dude. Look how fresh that is. Just, oh my. Oh, that feels. That's the most bussin' feeling ever feeling. Wait. That sounded so weird. Oh, but dude. These things look great. Let me show you head. Show a head. More like show of hands. Let's get this. Ready? Right here, I'm not gonna rip it. Oh, sound like I did. Oh my goodness. OEM parts, man. You just can't. Damn. Just look at that soldering joints. Dang, they still do that, huh? Crazy, dude. This thing looks. Wow. If you guys need the part numbers, like you're an RX7 owner, here, I got you, bro. I got you. Just in case. So this is the passenger. This is the passenger for an S5, okay? And this is the driver. Okay? When you see the prices, you'll feel me. But let's go install the passenger one because I don't even have one. So shouldn't be too hard, right? I mean, it's a switch. All right, so this is gonna be so hard with. You know what? I think it's possible. Watch this with one hand. Ah, shoot! You're gonna. Okay. You can't. Oh wait. You know what? I can show you. Just gotta put it in. Come on, that thing's so way too big. You need. Okay, right there. Okay, and then. You know what? I don't want to ruin that, so I'm just gonna switch hands. Oh, my bagel's back. There we go. Oh, you hear that click? And then we just gotta. Damn, that wiring. Look at that. That thing is strong. Freaking Mike Tyson strong, bro. Holy. Just listen to me. Holy. Is it really the right way? No, there's no way it's gonna be good that way. Okay. So let's. Yo. This wiring should not be. You know what? Just. Am I doing this right? You know, I'm just gonna finesse it in, and no, I think it goes back to forward first. There we go. And then, okay, hang on. Okay, I took way longer than it should have. It was easier because I had 2 fingers right here and 2 fingers, and I put it evenly down. One side or the other, no, that's not it. Dang, that thing just looks. Holy crap. I don't even know how to take out the driver's side, but let's find out. Honestly, kind of curious if the passenger side window even works, because the driver's side window works for sure, but I feel like there's a reason why this one was broken and that one was broken over there. So just hearing the clicks is, just look how faded this thing is, bro. Like, let's see if I can get it to focus for you. Look at that, faded out here. But let me see how to take this thing out. I'm kind of nervous, but gas to see it through, my boy. Yo, these look fire, dude. Like, just look at that. Look how like new it is. Like, just, oh my goodness. Dang, somebody come get their mans. Cause, oh yeah, sorry. Let me speak English, you know. But, oh my goodness. Ow, my back. But let's test the windows, but I'm probably gonna have to start the car because, oh my goodness, the seat, I forgot I moved it back. Yo, look at that though. Just, all right, so, let me let's test out this. Yo. Oh, that's still rough, but let's see the passenger side. Yo. Oh my, let's see if the passenger side, oh. Okay, interesting, okay. Yo, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed this before me, but I actually had this power window, right, on off. You know, you guys are learning literally in 4K, because you think I know what I'm doing? Heck no, I don't know what I'm doing. The unicorn. Golden unicorn. Actually, I don't even know if it's called golden unicorn. I don't know. I don't know how this is. Holy!